I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the NET SDK is installed because without it you cannot build. Once done, create a class library, .NET new ClassLib and mylib, and open it in your IDE. Make the first class public and add a simple method. This gives a clear API surface. Also, initialize a Git repo for versioning. These first actions set structure and make the library consumable by apps, so you avoid rework later. You next implement functionality and make decisions about visibility. Public for API, internal for helpers. Once methods exist, add unit tests and run .NET test frequently to catch regressions. If your library targets multiple frameworks, use multi-targeting in the project file. This expands compatibility. Then build with .NET Build, inspect the output DLL, and add project references via .NET Add Reference. You finalize by consuming the library. Add a project reference or publish a NuGet package and install it. Then import the namespace with using mylib. Namespace and call the public methods. This proves the integration. For deployment, update the package version, tag the release, and push to a feed. If something breaks, first check assembly version mismatches and target framework compatibility. Also verify the class and method are public. That single troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.